aware of the potential of cannabis.
But
So that they can create the employment for themselves. You understand? So that those who with the skill, they can improve themselves. And maybe start having laboratory in the location.
Of course.
To assist with the testing. Yeah, we going to regulate. We're going to sit down and contribute towards the regulation.
Creating a format of regulation.
Yeah, to tell them that no.
To tell government.
Government.
That's how we think we should.
We as Sidasa.
But now we have to do what? We have to do amendments. Because the bill is out.
Yeah, the bill is out now. So now we must write propose that.
No, we didn't include us. Yeah, they didn't include us. Yeah. No, they were like very few people who can.
Our consultant.
Yeah, it's true. And they passes that thing. Hey, government.
So now we should unite. So if we mobilize and imagine that the youth that comes to the art session, art hub there, to the Black Laguna, that youth, all of them, they think alike about cannabis and become innovative and use technology, so they can prosper. People, they must stop smoking, but they must think good about cannabis, because if cannabis is medicine, it heals, it helps a lot of people. So even our economy, it can grow through cannabis. And with cannabis, you can reach the 17 SDG goals of the United Nations. You can fight poverty, you can fight hunger, you can fight climate change, you can create partnership, you can have gender equity, you can have female representative. You can fight a lot of things with cannabis industry, because it's not only cannabis, it's cannabis industry and hemp. So it goes with hemp, don't separate it.
And that's not oppression.
Cannabis is hemp. This one, the one that I'm wearing a hemp shirt now.
Can fuel cars.
But Jason said you're gonna be talking.
Yeah, you can fuel cars with cannabis. You know?
Cannabis. And do you know that other sister from Cape Town? It's got cannabis farm, man.
Yeah, to right now.
I want to go and visit.
No, Jamani, we as Sidasa, we just have to build capacity so that you guys will take office and lead according to your strength. Like if you're good at marketing, you become the marketer for Sidasa and you represent the people and you travel the whole Africa representing Sidasa. We Africa, we must compete with the Europeans and the other continents as Africans in this continent.
We are not going to compete because we are on a different level.
Yes. So now we
have what they want.
Yeah, we have that, and they want what we have here. And now, so we have competitive power.
What would you want from us, my king?
Yes, I was about to ask that. How do you go?
Just to have more session about talking about cannabis to the youth of today, so that they can understand cannabis and hemp, the benefit of it. We're not saying they must smoke. Smoke is recreational. It's the other part of individual who's matured, he or she will choose for himself. But we saying we want to our people.
And also spiritual. Why you are running away from the spiritual
element? Because of
why you need to also say yes.
Yes, it's true. No. It is spiritual. That is why if you smoke it individually and responsibly, you have a reason why you are smoking it. Maybe for meditation purpose, or maybe to calm yourself after a long day, or maybe just to feel happy because of it has benefit. I myself am using it, so I've been using it since some time. No one introduced it to me, and I love it. It helps me a lot, with my thinking.
Self-realization. It
helps with my thinking. It gives me more power to think more.
It's gonna make you to think deep, and it's not his way to with a self-realization. And with a self-realization.
What about the weed I had? Like I wanted to get out of my body. Was that bad weed?
Bad weed? No, it depends. Okay.
It depends because now they're growing indoor weeds.
How long?
There's added chemicals now.
How long?
It's no longer the process.
It was like second time, third time. Like I wanted to get out of my body.
Something like that. can do that because not all food are favorite to any human being. A lot of people are allergic to other food.
Also remember we are strange. So maybe that strain couldn't
Then how come?
another one.
Then how come like I didn't meditate? How come I just felt like getting out?
But after
Is it because I didn't know how to meditate?
Sometimes you find that, you know, the what can you call it?
sometimes you find that sometimes
Because Germany is she stay like 20 years or maybe 18 years not smoking. They tell me smoke. I was gonna show you a miracle, Papa.
Also, I like how Terence McConnell explains it. Terence McConnell says the problem is not the drug, the problem is you. So,
You know what actually happened? I took that, right? And then I slept. So I was sleeping and I woke up and I realized I didn't have like someone in my life. Oh God. And so, yeah. I think that would be
really,
yeah.
yeah, it
now
could be
today,
that.
how was your experience after smoking?
Yeah.
It's not like I want to do it again because of the experience I had.
Maybe I think you did it with in the wrong way. Because there's a particular way that you have to do it. Like me, I still don't mix it, and usually I don't share a lot. I share when I'm with people that I'm with, but in most cases, I'm in control of my own weed. So
And you share in a certain way.
I trace it where it come from. So there's a particular way you have to use it, but it's not for everyone. I think it's for
It's not for
intelligent being.
everyone.
Yeah, mara izolo kudala bepema batsumi ngithola ne. People are going to jungle most. Like weed special. Because those people they were not smoking weed on the yard. They will wake up in the morning and go to jungle. And when they arrive to the jungle to do maybe the cows and other stuff, they weren't even harvesting herbs. These were the first people to know about the herbs. They were herbalists. Because they will go outside by the jungles and smoke that weed. And after when they smoke weed, they come with different herbs. Hey, may I have another new herbs, power. I can mix herbs. I can mix these herbs and these herbs and show you a menchi. Even if you show me your herbs, because you're always on the mountain. Herbs are where in the mountain. Even if today they don't go in the mountain, they're not allowed to go to the mountain. Other tribes, yeah.
And also, like, you know, any drug, whether man-made or occurring naturally in nature, right? When one approaches it, you have to know that, okay, I'm dealing with a mind-altering substance. Like if you take hallucinogens, it's coming. So just like you take weed, it's coming. It's going to get you. You're going to
But is
get
it
to a
good for
point
society
where
to take
You're
drugs?
high. So you should now understand, okay,
Is it good for society to take hallucinogens?
No, it's not cool.
I think the problem is not in terms of the individual. The problem is, not the drug, it's the individual. So we must fix ourselves as people.
Yeah, actually it's two.
And these drugs are just
there's legal
tools
drugs
or
and
things
illegal
like,
drugs.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, there's legal drugs and illegal drugs. Yeah. Legal drugs, they are thinking they are better to illegal drugs.
And which is, you see what I mean?
Like one slave master child is think is better than another one slave master's child. On
But something that's not